We'll see about the nitrogen cycle. So nitrogen is a chemical gas which is present only in the atmosphere. Where nitrogen is found? In the atmosphere. Nitrogen is present about 78%. How much nitrogen is present in the atmosphere? 78% portion of the atmosphere is accumulated by the nitrogen. Nitrogen play an important role for living organism as it provides what? Protein. It provides protein to the plants, and through the food chain the protein from the plants is being carried towards the animal. So the nitrogen plays a very important role for the living organism. Okay, so it is also an important component of protein and nucleic acid. It is also an important component of nitrogen, nucleic acid and protein. Okay, so it is necessary for maintenance of the cycle in the nature, and circulation and recycling of this nitrogen gas into the form of different compounds through the various biotic and abiotic process is called as a nitrogen cycle. That is what the textbook definition, that is converting or circulation or a cyclic movement of nitrogen from the atmosphere to the soil and back to the atmosphere is known as a nitrogen cycle. Now nitrogen is present in a free form in the atmosphere, and the organisms cannot be used this nitrogen easily. So now to receive this nitrogen from the atmosphere, the important process which is carried out by the bacteria. Nitrogen present in the atmosphere cannot utilized by the plant. So in such case the microbes, they play very important role. They bring about the conversion of this nitrogen from the atmosphere into nitrate and nitrite. Okay, and then this process of converting nitrogen from the atmosphere by the microbes into nitrate and nitrate is called as nitrogen fixation. Now this process is carried out in the leguminous plant, where it is carried out in the leguminous plants such as groundnut. So this is how the plants capture the nitrogen from the atmosphere into the plant, and this process is called as nitrogen fixation. It is called as a nitrogen fixation. Now next important process in the nitrogen cycle, that is ammonification. Ammonification. So what happened in this process of ammonification? The process of converting nitrogen into ammonia take place. Process of converting the nitrogen into ammonia. This process takes place when the plant and animal they die. After the death of plants and animal, nitrogen from the plants and the animals or from the waste of the plants and animal is converted into ammonia by the fungi, and this is called as ammonification. This is called as an ammonification. It is brought by the bacteria and the fungi, and that is a second step. Or we can also say that ammonification is nothing but release of ammonia through the decomposition of dead bodies and excretory waste of the organism. That is what about the ammonification. Next about the nitrification. Nitrification is what? Ammonia is nitrified by the bacteria into what? Nitrate and nitrate. Into nitrate and nitrate. Now the bacteria which involved in nitrification are known as nitrifying bacteria. They are known as a nitrifying bacteria. So what happened in the nitrification? Conversion of ammonia into nitrate and nitrate take place. That is called as a nitrification. Now next point, that is nitrate and nitrate from the soil carried into the plants by the by the roots of the plants, and then breaking of this nitrate is brought by the bacteria. breaking of this nitrate and nitrate present in the soil, that is in the roots of the plant, is been broken by the bacteria during anaerobic condition, means in the absence of oxygen. That means nitrate and nitrate present in the soil, that is in the roots of the plants, are broken down by bacteria during anaerobic condition, means less oxygen is present that time, and then this nitrate and nitrate are converted into nitrogen. They are converted into nitrogen, and this nitrogen gas then goes back into the atmosphere. That is called as denitrification. Denitrification means what? Conversion of nitrogen compounds into nitrogen gas. What happens in the denitrification? That is nitrate and nitrate, that is a compound of nitrogen which are present in the soil, that is in the roots of the plant. They are broken down by microbes, that is by the bacteria during anaerobic condition or when there is less oxygen. These nitrate and nitrate are broken down into what? Nitrogen, and that is nitrogen gas goes back into the atmosphere. So this is called as denitrification. So what happened in denitrification? Nitrogenous compound like nitrate, nitrate are being broken down by the bacteria into nitrogen gas, and this nitrogen gas releases back into the atmosphere. So this is how the nitrogen from the atmosphere was fixed by the bacteria or by the microbes into the soil, and from the soil it is taken by the plants, and from the plants it is entered into the animals through the food chain, and after the death it is decomposed and goes back into the soil. That is called as ammoniumification. And now these nitrogenous compounds are converted into nitrogenous gas by the process called as denitrification. So these are the important process of the nitrogen cycle. So what are the important process? Nitrogen fixation, in which conversion of nitrogen into nitrate and nitrate takes place from the atmosphere. Then second process or the second step, that is ammoniumification, in which release of ammonia from the decomposition of dead bodies of plants and animals or from the excretory waste of the organism. Then third step, that is nitrification, conversion of ammonia into nitrate and nitrate. And last point, that is denitrification, means breaking down of the nitrogenous compound into nitrogenous gas and releasing them back into the atmosphere. That is called as denitrification. So this is how the nitrogen which was captured from the atmosphere by the process of nitrogen fixation into the plants, and from the plants it is transmitted into the animal via food chain, and after the death of these plants and animal it is again released back by the process of that is ammoniumification. It is released back, and then after that nitrification process, that ammonium is converted into nitrate and nitrate, that is a compound of the nitrogen, and these compounds of nitrogen are again denitrified in absence of oxygen and converted into nitrogenous gas. So this is how the nitrogen gas is released again back into the atmosphere. So the cyclic movement or the circulation of nitrogen, circulation of the nitrogen from the atmosphere to the soil and back to the atmosphere is called as nitrogen cycle. So here we have completed about the nitrogen cycle.